know that my heart is without you. You deserve to be celebrated for this incredible woman you are. Strong and full of so much love. I miss you more than words can express.
Sinabi mo naman ligo, napapanood ko sa TV.
Sige, mamaya po ma'am, alamin natin. Sa ngayon, relax and enjoy this moment. Happy birthday! Dahil maarawan yung mga kayo sa birthday. Happy birthday!
Kaya pala pinagputi niyo ako, ha?
Dahil maarawan yung mga mayroon kayong birthday cake. Pero bago niyo po ito, kantaan pa lang namin ng birthday song. Sabayan niyo po ako. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Ma'am, hindi mo muna bago ito dapat. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to my superwoman. We love you. Mama, happy birthday! Ayan po ba may idea na po? Kanino galing? Kasi ma'am, pamunas mo na ma'am. Kasi naiyak na talaga sa tuloy-tuloy ang dami ng luha. Happy birthday! At yun ma'am, may idea na po kanino nang galing? Sa anak ko. Sa ano mo? Yeah, ito po ay nanggaling kay Sir Jason. Ngayon po ma'am, sa birthday mo po, may wish po ba kaya? Pwede po namin malaman kung anong wish ni ma'am.
May wish daw.
Okay lang po ba? Parang ayaw secret. Sige po. Ay, dahil maarawan niyo ma'am, mayroon po kayo. Yan. Ang luha ni ma'am, naging tumawa tuloy si ma'am.
Napalitan ng kasi. Money cake.
At dahil sa araw na kasama niyo yung birthday message, ready ka na po mabasahin ko? Ako. Happy birthday, Mama. Today, being by your side is one of the hardest things for on your special day. I just want to say from my heart, thank you, Mama. Thank you for being both a mother and a father.
Hindi nasa yung message mo.
A best friend, a teacher in my class.
Message siya ni Kuya Jason niya.
Your parents the way of our world in grace, love, and courage. When you give it all for us, all that we are in all that we do. And always you, Mama. I will not ever to hug you or hold your hand.
Ha?
Please know that my heart is without you. You deserve to be celebrated for this incredible woman you are. Strong and full of so much love. I miss you more than words can express. And I hope you can feel my love across the distance. One day is not enough to honor everything you mean to me. little toy and reminds you how truly you are. I hope you like my little surprises because you deserve nothing but the best, Mama. Basta alam kong masaya ka. Masaya na din ako, Mama. I will do everything for you, Mama. I love you more than I can ever say. Once again, Mama, happy birthday! Love your beautiful son, Jason! Happy birthday! Kamusta, Ma'am? Masaya.
Oh, may sasabihin ka kay Kuya Jason.
Video call.
Naka-video call yan. Naka-video call.
Thank you talaga.
Iyakan pa daw. Isa pa daw na iyak.
Thank you talaga. Love you. Ingat ka palagi sa doha.
Medyo na yun. Oh.
Dahil karawan mo, siyempre. Meron pa kayo!
Oh,
Happy birthday! Thank you. Nakuliyak ko. Alam ko na ako na mamahila.
Hindi pira ulo. Kaber.
So, salamat sa lahat ng gift mo. Wala.
Picture pa pa.
Saya-saya ko. Basta ingat ka sa doha. Malamal kita. Thank you.
Naluha ulit si Ma. Pero kung wala naman, kayo po, Ma'am Kenny, binabati po namin kayo ng happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness in your life. Enjoy a special day, more birthdays to come. Happy birthday. And lastly po, sabi sa kay Sir Jason, all the way from Doha, Qatar. Lubos po kami nagpapasalamat kasi kami po yung napili. E pamaya din po itong surprise para po sa inyong minamahal na ina. Pagmatuloy lang po magmamahal sa isa't isa. At lagi po kayo mag-ingat yan sa abroad. God bless po. Sa iyo po ulit, Ma'am. Happy birthday!
Yeah.
Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Call us at 096-685-4251.